Hello everyone, let's understand various methods of GDP calculation. There are three methods to calculate GDP. First is income method, second is expenditure method, and third is production method. Now we first see expenditure method. In a country, income earned is either spent on consumer goods and services or saved and invested. In this method, total national expenditure incurred in a particular year is taken into consideration to compute GDP. As per expenditure method, the GDP will be as follows: GDP equals CPI plus G plus XM, where C stands for gross private consumption expenditure, I stands for gross private investment or capital formation, G stands for government expenditure, X stands for export, M stands for import, XM stands for net export. Now second is production method. This is also called the output method or value-added method. Under this method, gross value added, GVA or GDP, is computed, which is nothing but the difference between the value of output and intermediate consumption of all the three sectors that are primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Here is twist in production method, that is the problem of double counting. For example, what would happen if government statisticians first counted the value of tires produced by a tires manufacturing company and then counted the value of a new car sold by an automaker that contains those tires? The value of the tires would have been counted twice because the price of the car includes the value of the tires. The problem of double counting can be solved either by calculating the value of the final output or by taking the value added to each firm. Last is income method. This follows from the simple idea that the revenue earned by all the firms put together must be distributed among the factors of production such as salaries, wages, profits, interest earning, and rents. Now moving toward calculation of GDP in India. In India, currently, expenditure and production methods are used to calculate GDP. Developed countries use income method to calculate GDP. India has a large number of people working in the informal sector, which makes it difficult to calculate GDP in the income method. Thank you for watching.